In this video, I will show you how to make money using shocks and impacts that people get every day. Okay, I know Will Smith does not slap Chris Rock every day, but impactful things are happening every single day. Things that shock people, create questions and tension. People don't know whether it's good or bad, whether to like it or dislike, whether they should agree to it or disagree. These are the impactful things happening every single day, and in this video, I will show you how easy it is to make money from 1 minute of work using free impactful things done by other people, and it works every time you try. You don't need experience, technical knowledge or a website, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. But yes, my software Epic will accelerate the process. Free access link for you, my YouTube viewers, is in the description. Sounds good? Okay, let's get into it. It happened the day after Will Smith's slap thing happened. When the slap occurred, I was sleeping due to the time zone, I woke up in the morning, I was scrolling down on social media when I saw the owner of Learn, Anik Singhal, talking about Will Smith, and surprisingly, within an hour, he had the attention of his Facebook friends and followers, giving their opinion on what Will Smith did was right or wrong. All these people in the comment are busy entrepreneurs who hardly have time to scroll down and share their opinions here and there. But if something got their attention, it must be something special. This made me curious about what Will Smith did, and everyone is talking about it. First, I searched on Facebook search bar. I saw all the major media houses talking about it, getting likes, comments, shares, like crazy engagements. I got interested, and by the time I only typed Will Smith on YouTube search bar, YouTube brought all the videos about what happened. Even the newest channels, take note, the newest channels are getting tons of viewers and traffic just by talking about it. For instance, check this channel, 252 subscribers, nothing special on YouTube, but YouTube is promoting it because it's getting the attention of people who are coming to YouTube to see what Will Smith did. They got more than 5,000 views in just 1 hour of putting out the video. You see how easy it is to get attention? Now, these videos are a bit long. I promised you money in 1 minute. So let me show you the 1 minute videos in my mobile. Let's search with Will Smith hits Chris Rock. You see that? Do you see? When I just searched Will Smith, YouTube is showing me suggestions. Will Smith hits Chris Rock. Now let me show you what happens. I'll simply tap here. Okay, these are the videos. It's the same video everywhere. Same video everywhere. Now go down below. Just scroll down, and here are the shorts. These are the short videos which are less than 1 minute long. And guess what? Let me tell you the numbers. The first number you see for yourself. Can you see how many views? Over 600,000 views. The next one, 148,000 views. The next one, 1 million views. Now we make $5 from each view we get from our YouTube channel. Think about it. Think about how much money they could possibly make. So where is the money here? Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. This way you as well as your friends will learn how to make money online the real way and the easy way. And you will get notified when we upload our next money making video. Before we go to the money, let me show you how we make short videos using my software Epic. We use free links to import photos and video clips. We use built-in artificial intelligence to generate text content if we need, and we use built-in text-to-voice feature to generate natural voiceover for our videos. So the users of Epic don't need to use cameras like us. We just love cameras. That's why we use cameras. Our Epic users don't use their own voiceover. They don't even need to write their own script. Everything is done by Epic. So YouTube sends us free traffic, and we make money from free clicks on our links in the description and in comments. And we make $5 from every click on the average. 1,000 clicks make us $5,000. Super simple. So go back to money. Money follows attention. When you have attention, you can ask your audience to do anything, like ask to click on a certain link placed in the Instagram or TikTok bio, in your YouTube video description, link in the comment, you name it. That's how advertising works clicks and generates income. When someone clicks and finds the offer is worth buying, they buy and you make money. It's as simple as that. And what gets attention is talking about what's going on in the world right now, especially talking about celebrities, the hottest trends you'll find on Google Trends, Google News, and what everyone else is talking about. For example, Will Smith slapped Chris Rock is one of the hottest trending topic right now. Most of these channels have absolutely nothing to do with Will Smith. They simply made videos about the incident and YouTube is promoting all of them. All they know is that there is a lot of attention on Will Smith right now, and if they make a video about it, YouTube will promote their video. Have I been talking about making videos? Yes. And before you say it's so much work like script writing, shooting and editing, let me show you how you leave everything on Epic and enjoy the results without the hard work. By the way, you can get Epic from the link in the description. Let me show you how easy it is to make videos or shorts using Epic. Click the Create New button, name your project, select the type of video you want to create, find an article that you want to take elements from, copy image URL and paste it right here, and immediately the image is imported. How cool is that? That's how easy it is to import any element to Epic from free links. Just copy and paste. Zoom, rotate or pan a bit to add a little drama in the image, add a little text here to demonstrate what we are talking about. You can also fetch images from Pixabay, adding another one, little panning and zooming to give it a nice look. Okay, we are done here. Now we need some voiceover. We want to use this text as voiceover text or script. I'm going to add the text here on the video or in the video slide as well, so the viewers can read what we are talking about, and change the settings of the text. Let's change the color opacity of the text, change the color of the text, position the text a little bit to make it nice. Now this text is not ours, so we want to rewrite it and make it our own. So for that, go to text generator and use the AI to rewrite this text. Now we're going to use this text as our voiceover script, and we can upload our voiceover if we have a sound file. We can record it directly from our microphone, or we can use this awesome natural text to audio feature. So click this add button, choose your favorite voiceover from this drop down list and paste the text here. Then simply click this button to create your voiceover by the software. How cool is that? Go to text to audio section and click add to this voiceover, and the voiceover is added in the video. This is one tiny video that you have created. You can make it as long as possible. You can add as many elements as you want, and you have full freedom to change anything you want. Click this add new button to add another video, and these are all our videos ready, done for you to use anytime you want, or you can use blank or use any of our templates. When you are happy with your work, click the render button and the video will be created in the background. And once the video is rendered and ready, you will get notified through email. So here you go. You see, you don't need to give your opinion about what happened between Will Smith and Chris Rock or any other stories. There are so many people already talking about it that you can simply copy paste and publish like a reporter. We came here to make money. We care about how we can use the opportunities to make some money. In case you're wondering, YouTube promotes your videos for two reasons. Reason number one, YouTube is promoting short videos these days because Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make Shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Number two, when you cover hot topics in your videos, they help YouTube get new viewers from their competitors and help make current viewers stay on YouTube for long time. So that's it. Go make videos about new and hot topic using Epic, publish them, get attention and make easy money. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family. This way you help others learn how to make money online the real way and the easy way. And we will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.